Good morning, students. Today we are going to study chapter Nation Movement. First, we complete the history section, then we will go to your six politics. Okay, and today we are going to study chapter Nationalist Movement in India, 1872-1947. Students, as we have studied that rule of East India Company ended with the Queen Victoria Proclamation of November 1st, 1858. Students, the power of governors now came into the hands of British government in 1858, and earlier it was in the hands of East India Company, Trading East India Company. Okay. After the revolt of 1857, the power goes to the hands of British Parliament. People of India still did not have any say. They have not dared to say anything against the government. And formulated policies formulated by the government, never they say anything about to oppose the government. And resentment surface in the form of government, different rebellions, and subsequently later on gave a rise to birth of Indian national movement. Now people want to got the independence from the Britisher, trying to do the revolt against them, movement activities against the Britisher, and many political organizations were formed to express the problem of Indians. Earlier, no any formation was there, no association was there. Those who represent the grievances of the Indian in front of Britisher. And in 1876, Surendranath Banerjee established Indian Association in Calcutta. Students, now was the time to form an organization, association, and how they are going to put the matter in front of the British government. Okay, earlier they know about that कि we are not saying anything against the government, but now one person was there. Your A.O. Hume, British retired officer, was there, and he realized there is a need to formation of any party, Indian National Congress they have formed in December 1885 by A.O. Hume, a retired British officer, and with the support of 72 educated Indian delegates. Educated Indian, those who got the education from India and abroad as well, and different region of the country. And first meeting of Indian National Congress took place in Bombay under the presidency of W.C. Banerjee, and Congress became the backbone of national movement 1885 to 1947. Okay, 1885 formation of your Indian National Congress, and up to 1947 till when we got the independence, up to they worked for the freedom of our country. How they got the freedom, in this chapter we will read. And the early phase of Congress was influenced by leaders who were referred as moderate, and Congress also divided into two parts, moderate and extremist. And one group was moderate, and what they have, the complete faith in the British. They said that we will work under British. Okay, with the suggestion of Britisher we will work, and they adopted moderate way to pursue. Always they lenient, you are in favor of a Britisher and lenient against them. And main demands were there. These are the main demands, and have representative institution in the whole country for the welfare of people, create provincial legislative council or provincial, recruit Indian for higher post in the administration. Earlier what happened, your Britisher never give the chance to Indian to recruit for the higher position. Hold civil service examination always they conduct in England. Now they demanded that civil service exam should be conducted in your India and ensure growth of Indian industry. Earlier, raw material taken by the Britisher to their own country, and now this take the insurance from the Britisher that Indian industry and handicraft should be developed in our own country and stop the drain wealth of. Okay, why you are taking the wealth of our country to their own country? You also stop. Okay, which raw material you have taken to their own country and end the exploitation of Indian resources. Indian resources, ki they all resources, raw material taken to their own country, and people also they sent to their in first world war they sent near about 90,000 soldiers were killed in the were sacrificed their life for the sake of British government in first world war. Then they said that you stop these type of activity in our country. Okay, thank you. Up to here you make the notes, Victor.